Okay, good morning once again, grade 8. We are going to solve system of linear equations into variables. There are methods to be used like graphical method, substitution method, elimination by addition or subtraction, and by determinants. But this morning we are going to use substitution. But before that, I would like to have Hebrews chapter 11, verse 6. And without faith, it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to Him must believe that He exists and that He rewards those who earnestly seek Him. So, we are going to start a lesson, and we have to use substitution method. So in solving linear equation by the substitution method, you have to remember these things. So there must be two linear equations. So solve one equation for one of the variables. Let's say x and y. You may choose x or you may choose y depending upon the given equations. Substitute this expression in the other equation and solve for the other variable. Then substitute the value you obtain in the equation and solve for the value of the other variable. Then after that, you may check the values in both equations, or you may just check in one, but you can check it in both. So shall we have an example on the board? So let's see, there are three here. For number one is y equals 5x, that is first equation. X plus y equals 24. So in here, immediately you can use this value here to replace y in the second equation. So it will become like this. X plus 5x will be equal to 24. So you will notice that you have only one variable here. So you can simplify this. So understood 1. So it will become 6x equals 24. Then eliminate 6 divided by 6. So cancel. X will be equals to 4. So you get one value of variable x equals 4. You use again this equation so that you can get the value of y. Y will be equals to 5 times 4. So therefore, y equals 20. So you may check, shall we use this equation, equation 2. So when x is 4, and y is 20, it must be equal to 24. So 4 plus 20 is 24 equals 24. So it is checked. Okay, that's the way. For number 2, 3x minus y equals negative 1. So in this case, this will be your equation 1 and this will be equation 2. It is easier for you to solve for y here, in equation 1. So as if you are going to separate that and join negative 1 here. So it will be like this. So it will be y equals to 3x. It will become positive plus 1. Now this value here, substitute it here in the equation 2. So that will be 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 1, this is the y, equals 36. So 2x plus 3 times 3 is 9x, 3 times 1 is 3, equals 36. Combining that will be 11x. Transpose that will be equal to 36 minus 3 on. So it will be 33. So divide this by 11, divide that by 11. So x will be equals to 3. So that is the value of x. Now you can use any of the equation you want here. So shall we do it here? So that it will be 2 times 3 plus 3y will be equals to 36. So that will be 6. So 3y will be equals transpose that 36 minus 6 is 30. So divided by 3, divided by 3. So that y will be equals to 10. So that's the value of y. You may check one equation. Supposing dito na lang tayo. So 10 will be equal to 3 times 3 plus 1. So that will be 9 plus 1. So that will be 10 equals 10. So it is check. So here. For number 3. So again, this time also we are going to solve for x here. Okay, so we transpose this to the right side so that it will be x will be equals to 6y minus 5. Now this value here, substitute it here so that it will be 2 times 6y minus 5 plus 3y equals 25. So 2 times 6 is 12y minus 10 plus 3y equals 25. So 12y plus 3y is 15y. Transpose that, that will become 10 plus 25 is 35. So divided by 15, divided by 15. So y will be equals to, we just reduce by 5 is 7 over 3. So that's the value of y. Now you can use it here so that it will be x will be equals to 6 times 7 over 3 minus 5. So as if that will be 42 divided by 3, or that will be to 14. 14. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 7 is 14 minus 5. So therefore 14 minus 5 is 9. So x will be equals to 9. So checking if x is 9, so 2 times 9 plus 3, y is 7 over 3, 7 over 3 will be equals to 25. So 18 cancel, that will be 7 equals 25. So 18 plus 7 is 25. 25 equals 25. So it is check. So that is how to use substitution. It's up to you to select what you want to solve as variable. Whatever is easier for you, you will do it.